Okay, so I've got a 2002 4runner, third gen, and came out the other morning after a rain, and the floorboard was soaking wet. And I'm like, oh no, I must have a leak in the window. So I let it dry out the next day, and then a couple days later, no rain, and the same thing happened. And I realized, oh, it's my AC that's leaking. So what we did today was we removed the glove box and this bracket here, as well as another piece to see what we could find. And so we were trying to find this hose, and so what we did first was we turned the air on. We put this little plastic thing to catch any leak. We turned the air on to see if it was leaking below where it normally does. We put a plastic lid down, and then we put this inside, and we just let the air run for a while. And after about 5 minutes or so, we started getting condensation or water inside, and nothing was leaking outside. So we turned it off, we let everything cool down, and started trying to figure out how we were going to address this. And after a little bit of online research, someone had a great idea. We took a little piece of trim string, weed eater string, if you will, just cut about 1 foot of it, and we came over here and identified the little drain. So Brandon, go turn off the just kill the engine. So if you will, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe you can see it leaking down here, but there's a little drain pipe that comes out, and it was clogged. So we just took this, took the weed eater string. Let me zoom out some. We took the weed eater string and just put it in and snaked it through like you would snake a line if you had a plumbing clog. And it didn't take much at all before water started coming out. And we have tested it. We're now getting some nice drippage down below where it's supposed to be, and we didn't have anything inside. So this looks like has remedied the issue, and I just wanted to share this. Good luck.